Good morning, Braywick Court School. What are you going to do today? Learn, enjoy, succeed. So it's my turn to do assembly today, and I thought I would talk to you about some top tips for surviving learning at home. So Mrs. Donnelly did a great video for your parents, giving them some advice, but what about you guys? So I thought I would give you some of my top tips for how to survive home learning. Are you ready? Here we go. Top tip number 1, get dressed every day. Now, you don't have to wear your school uniform. That can stay in the wardrobe if you prefer. You can wear your own clothes, but what you can't do and what you shouldn't do is sit in your pyjamas all day. Put clean clothes on every day, okay? Top tip number 2, make sure you've got somewhere comfortable to work. You cannot do your best work if you are lying on the floor or not sat properly at a desk. So try and find yourself somewhere really comfortable, preferably with a table to work. If you guys need to borrow a table from school, help yourself, no problem at all. Top tip number 3, snack time. You do not need to eat everything in the kitchen as soon as you wake up. Normally you would have a snack pot, or you would take one piece of fruit or something to school for your morning snack. Why don't you get that ready in the morning, put it on the side in the kitchen, so when it comes to playtime and break time, you've got something to eat. Top tip number 4, try to get outside, give yourself some fresh air, some sunshine and a bit of exercise if you can. It's good fun and it'll break up the day. Top tip number 5, when you finish one activity, tidy up after yourself. Put your things away, ready to start your next activity. Otherwise, before you know it, you'll have made a massive mess, and that just makes for a bigger job at the end of the day. Top tip number 6, be kind and be patient. Your parents are working while you're at home too. Normally, they don't have you hanging around while they're working. So if there's something that you need and you need your parents' help, please be patient if they are busy. Try and fix it yourself. Remember the 5 B's. Your parent is the last one of those. If they are busy, be patient. Go and do something else until they are free, and they will help you when they can. Top tip number 7, be helpful around the house. Do the washing up. Lay the table, clear your dishes away, make your bed, pick your dirty washing up off the floor. Try and help around the house. You're going to be at home all day, you're going to make more mess. Top tip number 8, keep in touch. So your parents know how to email us. They can get in contact with us. You can ask us any questions. Please send us your work. We will be sending out a newsletter every Friday that's got a real celebration of all the wonderful things that you've been doing for your home learning. So looking forward to seeing that. And I'll be doing an assembly on Thursday where we'll be talking more about how we can keep in touch with each other, with our friends and with our family. Okay, have an amazing day. Bye guys.